Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to talk about a very important topic for those seeking a healthy and balanced diet, the Mediterranean diet. This is a dietary option that has been gaining more and more attention for its numerous health benefits, but there are also some negative points that we need to consider. So, if you want to know more about this diet, its pros and cons, and how to incorporate it into your lifestyle, stay with me until the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates. The Mediterranean diet is a mouth-watering option. Based on the eating habits of countries in the Mediterranean region, this diet is characterized by a high consumption of plant-based foods, such as fruits, vegetables, cereals, legumes, nuts, and seeds. And to add a special touch, it includes moderate consumption of fish, poultry, eggs, dairy, and wine. But hold on, the consumption of red meat, processed foods, and sugars is limited. The Mediterranean diet has a very ancient history, from ancient Greece to the present day, and several studies have shown that it brings a series of health benefits. With so many essential nutrients, such as monounsaturated fatty acids, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant compounds present in fruits, vegetables, and nuts, it is believed that this diet is an example of a healthy eating pattern. Furthermore, this diet is based on fresh and seasonal foods, which means that the consumption of processed foods is limited. So, did it make your mouth water? With so many health benefits, it's no wonder that the Mediterranean diet is becoming increasingly popular worldwide and is considered one of the healthiest and most balanced diets in the world. The Mediterranean diet is a burst of fresh and healthy flavors. This diet is mainly composed of plant-based foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts, and is drizzled with delicious olive oil as the primary source of fat. Fish and poultry are enjoyed in moderation, while red meat is kept off the plate. And of course, a glass of red wine can accompany the meal. After all, it's healthy for the heart, as it is rich in antioxidants and may help protect the heart. This diet is a great option for those seeking a healthy and balanced diet, as it is rich in nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Fibers, in particular, are excellent for digestive health and help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and cancer. The use of olive oil in the Mediterranean diet is a smart choice as it is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids that are good for the heart and help reduce bad cholesterol. Additionally, olive oil contains antioxidants that help protect the body against free radical damage. By consuming fish and poultry moderately, you can get the necessary protein for your body. Supporters of this diet believe that red meat is associated with a higher risk of heart disease and other health problems. We here at the channel don't believe this because the studies that claim this are poorly done, but that's a topic for another video. It's no wonder the Mediterranean diet is recommended by many health organizations worldwide. It's a tasty and healthy option that can work wonders for your long-term health. The Mediterranean diet is so amazing that it is considered one of the healthiest in the world. And it's no wonder, as it brings many health benefits. Let's see some of them. Heart protection. The Mediterranean diet is a shield against cardiovascular diseases. Thanks to healthy fats such as olive oil, which help reduce LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and protect the heart from inflammation and oxidative stress. Prevention of type 2 diabetes. With the Mediterranean diet, you are safe from type 2 diabetes. With a diet rich in fibers and complex carbohydrates, it keeps blood sugar levels stable. Additionally, red wine, if consumed moderately during meals, can improve insulin sensitivity. Brain protection. The Mediterranean diet is a superhero for the brain. It helps improve cognitive function and prevent neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. This is because it is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect the brain against oxidative stress and inflammation. cancer prevention, the Mediterranean diet is a warrior against cancer. Its foods contain compounds that help prevent the disease, such as the lycopene in tomatoes and the resveratrol in grapes and red wine. And with the high consumption of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, it also helps reduce the risk of colon cancer. Mental health protection. The Mediterranean diet is your mental health ally. With the consumption of nutrient-rich foods such as B vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids, it helps improve mental health and prevent diseases such as depression. To adopt the Mediterranean diet, you need to incorporate more natural and whole foods into your routine, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. And if you want to consume protein, it is better to choose fish or chicken, which are healthier sources. Oh, and remember to use olive oil instead of other oils to get healthy fats. And there's more. You can even enjoy a glass of red wine during meals, but in moderation. Some studies indicate that red wine can be beneficial to health in small quantities. But beware! Drinking in excess can have negative health consequences. Oh, one more important thing is to avoid processed foods and fast foods, which have a lot of bad fats, sugars, and sodium, which can increase the risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. But remember, the Mediterranean diet is more than a dietary plan, it is a lifestyle. Therefore, it is also essential to adopt healthy habits, such as regular physical activity and enjoying food with friends and family. So, let's change our routine and adopt a healthier lifestyle? But of course, each person is unique and has different dietary needs. That's why, before making any changes, it's important to have a chat with a healthcare professional and get personalized guidance. But if you want to give the Mediterranean diet a try, it can be a great option for those who want a tasty and balanced diet. Despite the Mediterranean diet being a healthy option, not everyone can benefit from it, and there are some potential downsides to consider. Here they are. Cost. Unfortunately, the fresh and healthy foods used in the Mediterranean diet can be a bit expensive, which can make it difficult for some people on a tight budget to follow. Dietary restrictions. Limiting the consumption of red meat and sweets can be a challenge for some people, which can make it difficult to adhere to the diet. Fat content. Olive oil is a great source of healthy fat, but it is still calorie-dense and can lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. Alcohol. Moderate consumption of red wine can bring health benefits, but excessive consumption can lead to health problems, such as liver damage and an increased risk of cancer. Cultural restrictions. Some people may have difficulty following the Mediterranean diet due to cultural or religious restrictions that prevent the consumption of certain foods, such as pork or alcohol. I hope this information has been helpful in understanding the Mediterranean diet better. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends so that more people can learn about the benefits of this diet. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, don't waste any more time and click the subscription button to not miss our upcoming videos. Also, be sure to turn on notifications to stay up to date on all the latest news. In the comments, share your opinion about the Mediterranean diet and if you've ever tried following this diet. Let's exchange experiences and knowledge to take even better care of our health. Big hugs and see you soon in the next video. If you want to lead a healthy life, check out the links in the description that will help you regain your health.